Today, Apple is one of the most valuable companies in the world. Its products are used by billions of people, and its logo is recognized in nearly every country. But long before the iPhone and the MacBook transformed technology, Apple began in a small garage with two young dreamers and an ambitious vision. This is the story of how Apple built a global empire. The story of Apple begins in California during the 1970s. Steve Jobs was a visionary who believed technology could change lives, while Steve Wozniak was an engineering genius who loved building computers. Together, they formed a partnership that would reshape the future of technology forever. In 1976, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak decided to turn their passion into a business. Working from the garage of Jobs' family home, they began building computers by hand. Their first product, the Apple I, was unlike anything on the market at the time. It was simple, innovative, and ready to use. Every computer sold brought them closer to a dream that would eventually change the world. On April 1, 1976, Apple Computer was officially founded. What started as a small garage operation was quickly becoming a serious business. Then came the Apple II, a computer that would revolutionize the personal computer industry. Unlike many machines of its time, it was designed for ordinary people, not just engineers and hobbyists. The success of the Apple II transformed Apple from a startup into one of the fastest-growing companies in America. Apple's rise was driven by one thing above all else: innovation. In 1984, the Macintosh introduced millions of people to personal computing in a way they had never experienced before. Years later, Apple reinvented the music industry with the iPod, transformed mobile phones with the iPhone, and changed personal technology once again with the iPad. Apple was no longer just making products, it was shaping the future. As Apple's products became more popular, the company expanded across the world. Apple stores began appearing in major cities, attracting millions of customers every year. The launch of the iPhone transformed Apple into one of the most valuable companies in history. From North America to Europe, Asia, and Africa, Apple's influence could be seen everywhere. What began in a small garage had become a global empire. Apple's journey teaches us that great ideas can come from humble beginnings. Innovation, persistence, and a willingness to challenge the status quo helped transform a small startup into a global giant. The story of Apple reminds us that success is not determined by where you start, but by how far you are willing to go to achieve your vision. From a garage in California to a company worth trillions of dollars, Apple's story is one of vision, innovation, and determination. The empire continues to grow, inspiring entrepreneurs and dreamers around the world. This has been Empire Blueprint. If you enjoyed this story, remember to subscribe for more journeys into the world's greatest empires.